Hello, I'm Mary Somerset, and you're invited to the Braveheart Women Resonate launch party known as the Day of Inspiration. And we are going to learn three things. Number one, how to identify and rise above survival patterns in your life. And number two, how the oxytocin lifestyle can help you overcome conflict and minimize that in your life. And third, how collaborating with women on a global level can help us change our world. And plan to have fun. Lots of music and vendors with chocolate and jewelry and just fun things for us to enjoy that day. And for less than $7, you will experience this transformational event and get a free book called Prosperity and Purpose Revealed. Stories of Braveheart sisters who have overcome conflict in their lives and have moved from lack to prosperity. So click on the link below and make a difference in your own life and the lives of others.